Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to sign up for a subscription with TallyDoc. TallyDoc is a great software for anyone who wants to easily create invoices and estimates and manage their customers. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the TallyDoc website. Once you're on the homepage, you should see a big blue button that says Sign Up. Click that button to get started. There are currently two options to use TallyDoc. If you want to create a one-off invoice with no account necessary, try the free builder. We have separate videos for how to use this free and easy to use invoice generator on our YouTube channel, or you can see the link in the description. In this video, we'll focus on using TallyDoc with a paid account. So to do that, you'll want to click the sign up button for the paid plan and follow the steps for checkout. Once you've entered your information, click the subscribe button. Once the payment is processed, the last step to complete your registration is to enter your company name. The point of contact information will already be filled out for you, but you can change it if you'd like. Click the register button. The success page displays a button to log in. Click the login button to sign into your new TallyDoc account. Once you're logged into your account, the first thing you'll want to do is change your password. A temporary one was generated for you to log in the first time, but you'll need a new one for subsequent requests. To do this, click the Account Settings button to view your subscription information. Click the Update Password button to enable editing. Once you enter your new password, click the Save button. And that's it. You've now signed up for a subscription with TallyDoc and updated your account. You can now start using the software to create invoices and estimates. In the next video, we'll complete your profile and start adding some customers. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.